How many letters of alphabet? Most of us, we were taught that there are 28, but there are 29. Aleph is the letter of alphabet, but it is not consonant. It does not have a speech sound. When you say a, it is not Aleph, but it is Hamza. And how do you write Hamza? Are you with me? This is Hamza, brother. Then what is this Aleph doing here? It is Hamza's chair. Hamza is very delicate. She needs a chair. Okay? So here is Aleph is the chair for Hamza. Sometimes Waw will become a chair for Hamza. And sometimes Ya will become a chair for Hamza. So Hamza has different chairs depending on what is in front of her. And sometimes Hamza feels strong and she doesn't need any chair. So there are many rules, spelling rules for writing Hamza that slowly we will learn. You do not have to worry. Okay, Aleph is used for elongation. Okay, brothers and sisters, and as we said, there are 29 letters of alphabet, out of which 28 are consonants, and Aleph has no speech sound. When you say a, it is the sound of Hamza. Now, how many vowel signs, brother, in Arabic language? Only 3. Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. Are you with me, brother? Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra. Now remember, these are short vowels. Okay, they are short vowels. So if I say to you, if I write like this, what will you say? Bu, short, bu. If I write like this, what will you say? Ba, short vowel. And if I say this, then it is bi, short. Now in order to do elongation, I put here Aleph. Now you see, the job of Aleph is to elongate. Now this is Ba. And then I put Vav here, and it is Bu. And if I put Ya here, it is Bi. Are you with me? Now, there are 3 vowel signs. Dhamma, Fatha, and Kasra only. And there is a 4th thing we must understand, and it is called Sukoon. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? There are many ways of writing Sukoon. Sometimes it is like a tiny circle. Sometimes they write like this. But I prefer tiny circle because it's better when you want to understand properly. Okay. Now, Sukoon is not a vowel sign. Sukoon is not a vowel sign.